Today I'm going to be doing a decorated apartment tour. So I've really been procrastinating about filming this just because I'm not like 100% done decorating the apartment, but I figured that I'm never going to be like fully 100% done, at least for like a long time. So I thought, why not just film a decorated apartment tour now, and then as we go on I can give you guys like updates on like the progress of decorating or any new changes that are made to the apartment. So I'm going to go through all the rooms and explain to you guys where I got the different furniture and decorations and things like that. I've always loved interior design because I actually studied interior design and practiced interior design for about 4 to 5 years before becoming a full-time blogger and influencer. So I really love design, and I especially love the mid-century modern style. So my apartment is basically a mix of mid-century modern, a little bit of contemporary, a little bit of Scandinavian, and things like that, and that's my style. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and let's go ahead and get into it. So starting off at the entrance, we walk right into our living room. So we've got this bookcase here that I got at IKEA, and I just used it to display some things. Rocio actually made this for me in her clay class. This was my mom's. We have a record player and then a bunch of my records. I have this cool Colombian wall hanging. That was actually my mom's. Got my guitar on display. And then walking more into the living room, we have this mid-century console that I actually bought from a friend. Got our TV. So in this corner, I have a mid-century chair that I bought from TJ Maxx, I believe. This is actually a thrifted pillow. And then I've got this like really cool ethnic basket that I keep blankets in. And I actually made this magazine rack. It was a DIY that I made for my friend, but it was like too hard to ship it to her, so I ended up keeping it for myself. In this corner, I have my one and only plant because I have a really hard time keeping plants alive. So this is the only real plant we have in our apartment. And I have like a cute little macrame hanger that I hang it on. So in the main living area, we have this couch that I actually bought for a really good deal on Walmart.com, and I've been wanting like a gray mid-century couch for a while, so I was super excited to get this. We've got some pink pillows here from IKEA, a blanket that I got at TJ Maxx, and then I have just like one art piece here. This is actually a photo that I took when I was traveling in Lisbon, so I thought that was like really pretty with all the colors and stuff. And then the frame is from IKEA. This lamp is also from IKEA, and I really like this style lamp. And then I've got our coffee table here from IKEA. This Beatles book we got for my dad for his birthday a long time ago, but then we swiped it because I thought it would be perfect for a coffee table book. So this rug is new. We got this about a week ago from Fred Meyer. And I've been wanting a rug for a while, so I was pretty excited about it. I think it kind of makes the living area a bit more cozy. And then over here, we have this mid-century end table, and I also bought this from a friend along with the mid-century console. We have to keep our ugly modem here because it needs to be like up high for us to get good reception, so it's a little bit of an eyesore, but you just have to do what you have to do. So in this corner, we have this War is Over poster. I really like this poster. I think I bought it on Etsy, and then I just had it printed out. And then this frame, I think, is from like IKEA or something like that. I've got a fake plant over here that I actually bought from somebody on this app called OfferUp. And then in this little corner, I have a little Eiffel Tower, and I have a Statue of Liberty and another little Eiffel Tower. Both of these are my mom's, and then I got this one at an antique store. So from the living room, we walk straight into the dining room. I've got 6 different posters here. Some of them I've collected at concerts that I've been to, and I framed them, put them on the wall. I think they need to be moved in a little bit closer, but I haven't gotten around to doing that. But I think this is really pretty because I like all the different like colors and how they play with each other. So we have this round table that I bought from somebody on OfferUp. And then we have 2 chairs that match each other. I got these at Goodwill, and then 2 other chairs that match each other that I got on OfferUp. So it's kind of like a mismatch, but I think it works because they're all white. And this table is actually a little bit too big for the space, so I might end up selling this one and getting one that's a little bit smaller, but it works for now. So So moving into the main kitchen area, I have this island that was actually my aunt's and she gave it to me. And we use this to store like our cups and plates and stuff because it's actually like not that big of a kitchen. So this island makes a big difference for storage and extra counter space. So in the kitchen, we have these white contemporary cabinets, white subway tile, like a marble type plastic laminate counter, which I was super excited about, and part of the reason why I chose this apartment was because it was completely remodeled before we moved in. So I'm really happy with like the aesthetic in the kitchen. It's a little bit of a tight squeeze with like the counter space, but like I said, the island makes a big difference. We've got the fridge over here, we've got the stove, a really nice stainless steel hood. So I like that these are that they're white. They're not like the greatest, newest appliances, but I think they still work pretty well. So as far as decorations in the kitchen, I have this letterboard, which is actually from my shop, Urban Darling Shop. I've got this marble wood cutting board, which I actually don't use. I only use it for decoration because I think it's really pretty. And then I've got this little faux succulent here. And then over in this corner, I have a little mason jar that I keep all of our utensils in, and then I've got this like wooden bowl that I put like fruit and stuff in it. We need to go grocery shopping, that's why there's nothing in it right now. So going down the hall, I have this wall hanging that I made and I dip dyed it. We've got this Colombian rug that was actually my parents' and they lent to me for our apartment. Moving further down the hall, we have this storage cabinet that we bought because we actually have like hardly any storage in this apartment, so we keep all of our bathroom stuff in here. So we've got Rossio's record player and another like faux plant for decoration in here. Okay, so moving into the bathroom, it's a little bit of a tight squeeze, but you have everything that you need. We've got the toilet, we've got this vanity cabinet, and I actually just bought these like storage racks here, which make a big difference in storing stuff. We have just like a ton of things between like Rocio and I and Skylar. So what I really like about the bathroom is that we have this white tile surround shower, nice tub. So everything is just like white in here and clean and bright, which I really like. And I also like that we have this window because it lets a lot of natural light in. Okay, so now we're moving into Rocio's room, which is directly across the hall from the bathroom. And I'm going to go ahead and let her explain it.
Okay, so here is my room. I am still in the process of trying to decorate it and make it cute. I didn't bring that much with me from home back in Eastern Washington, just because I wanted things to be like clean and I wanted it to be a little bit more minimalistic than I had it before. So yeah, it's a lot darker compared to my old room, which I don't like that much, but I tried to brighten it up with some fairy lights, and I'll probably bring more from home pretty soon. When you first walk in the door, this is what you see to the left. Here I have a little letterboard that I bought from my sister's shop. It says, "Words cannot espresso how much you mean to me." And then I have a little picture strip from a photo booth that I took pictures in with my boyfriend at prom. And then here I have a candle and a Polaroid picture and just some metallic clips and a little rock that I thought was pretty. And I don't know why, but I always have this problem with my candles. They always get like ash on them, but whatever. Over here I have this little speaker and I like it because it kind of looks a little bit vintagey. And then I have a tiny Eiffel Tower and a pretty rock. And then over here, kind of like in the middle of this wall, I have this long mirror with a little green vine plant type thing on it and an R because my name is Rocio and it starts with an R. I have a little photo strip in the corner, and I need to get a rack for my records, but for now they're just on the ground leaning on my mirror. And then over here I have a stack of some books and a little Himalayan salt rock lamp on top of them. Over in this corner I have my ukulele and a little ottoman poof thing. I don't really sit on it just because it's kind of inconvenient in that spot, but I think that it's cute. And then I have this little macrame hanger with this plant in it that I also got from my sister's shop, the macrame hanger, not the plant. And I stuck some fairy lights in there and I think that they're super pretty and it's actually really cozy at night. On the ground I have this rug and it's just a whole bunch of different colors. It's a little funky. I think it's super cute though. And I have this little wooden nightstand type thing, and I thought that it was super cute, and I asked for it for Christmas, and my mom got it for me. And I just have this little rose gold lamp. I think that it's kind of funky because you can just twist it into any shape that you want. Here is my bed, and I actually have a queen-sized bed now. I used to have a twin, actually wait, no, this is a full. I used to have a twin bed, and it was just super tiny, but my aunt actually let me have this bed, and in exchange I just dog-sitted for her for a while. And I have a whole collection of pillows. I actually got this grid pillowcase and bedding set from Romwe. I wasn't sure if they'd turn out fine, but they're actually really cute and I like them. And then for my pillows, I got this one from an antique shop, like a thrift shop. I can't talk. A thrift store, and I just really love the colors on it. I think that it's so cute. And I have this pillow, which is just a mustardy golden color, and it looks like a little button. I think it's kind of like 70s style, I'm not sure. And I have another mustard pillow, a pink one, and this fuzzy white one that I sleep on. And I also have this little wall hanger that my mom got me for Christmas. And that is it. This is my bed, and that is my room.
So in my bedroom, I've got a full-size bed. I've got 2 nightstands that I got from IKEA. The nightstands are actually kind of falling apart. I regret buying them because I really should have saved and invested in better nightstands, but eventually I'll get nicer ones. So for now, they work. And I've got 2 lamps on either side from IKEA. The headboard I got on Amazon, I believe. So in this corner of the room, I have this dresser that matches the nightstands from IKEA. I'm going to swap this out in the future for something that's a little bit better quality. So I got this coffee tray from Target, I believe, and I used to have it on my coffee table when I had a bigger one, but I sold that one to make more room in the living room, and now I have a smaller one. So now this just sits here on my dresser. I've got this little marble dish that my sister got for me for Christmas, and I put all of our sunglasses on there. I got this like hat rack. I think it's actually a coat rack from an antique store, and I use it just to like hold my hats. In this corner we have our closet. It's actually like stuffed to the brim, like things falling out everywhere, so I'm not going to be showing you guys that. So because I have like hardly any storage in my closet, I bought this backup closet rack from IKEA, and it actually holds like a lot of clothes on it, which is nice. It's kind of like a little disorganized right now because I'm transitioning from winter, spring into like summer. So anyway, I just keep like all of my main pieces here. I've got shoes on the bottom. Eventually I want to buy like a shoe shelving unit thing to put like over here, and then maybe like a rack or something for my purses. So this is basically just like my second closet area. So in this corner of the room, I have my little office area. I have this desk that my aunt actually gave me. And then I have this computer chair that's super, super comfy. It's from IKEA. I also have this like DIY shelf that I made. I actually have a blog post all about how I made this. If you guys want to check it out, I'll link it down below. I've got a printer, and then I have like some organization stuff. So eventually I want to make my office area a little bit cuter, just so that I'm more like inspired to work in it, because like right now I'm not that inspired to work here. I've mainly just been like sitting at the coffee table and working, but eventually I want to like spice this up and make it a little bit cuter so that I actually will enjoy working here. And then I might eventually get like a new desk, because I don't like that this one has like a drawer that's open. I want it to be like all put away. So eventually I'll be updating my office area. So one more thing about the like bed area in general, I want to get like a big art piece like I have in the living room with like a photograph or something that I took while in Europe to put above the bed. And I want to get like some cute colorful throw pillows to put on here. For collaboration pictures, I've just been taking like the pillows and the photo that I have in the living room and setting that up here. But eventually I'm going to buy some of that stuff to go here as well, just to make the bedroom a little bit cuter, because right now it's a little bit plain, but just gotta like work into my budget. So that's my bedroom. Okay guys, so that is my apartment. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I'm going to try to leave links down below to any of the pieces of furniture in my apartment that are still being sold today. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below if you guys like to watch decorated apartment tours, design videos, DIY videos, things like that, because if you do, I'll definitely make more of them. So if you guys aren't subscribed already, I would love it if you hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on notifications by clicking the bell next to the subscribe button. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!